Hey guys, it's Tech here. In today's video, we'll be doing something different and reviewing an electric razor kit by Braun. That is right. If you guys did not know, I got this for myself for Christmas, and I thought it'd be a fun idea to do a tech video on it. Even though it really isn't tech, it's more like hygiene tech, but it's still tech at the end of the day. So let's get right into it. So you can probably notice right out of the gate, this electric razor kit is kind of fancy because it comes with actually some packaging that you can just kind of pull everything in and out of when you need to. So if you open it up, you'll get access to the razor, of course, also some clips. So this razor actually starts out with a 13 to 21, so you can actually see right here. So you can see you go from 13 to 15 to 17 to 19 to 21 for the actual guard. And of course, actually to remove it, you literally just push the bottom of it and pop it out, and then you get access to the razor in itself. It is a rechargeable razor, and you just basically plug it into its charging port and it'll work. And you literally just turn it on and off. You literally just click the button on the top, turns it on, turns it off. Pretty straightforward. And then if you want to put the guard back on, you literally just slip it in from the top like so, and you push down with a little pressure and then it'll snap back on like so. So that's the first guard it comes with, but it comes with 9 different types. So that's the first one. The second one here is the same kind of method to place it on. You get access to it, and it actually is a 3 to 5 to 7 to 9 to 11 actual trim. So yeah, there's a lot of uneven numbers here, but if you actually have a beard length you want to keep really specific, you have access to a lot of different guards that you can use to keep the beard length. Now if we open the back pouch here, you do get access to some other little things. One being a normal just razor holder, and then you can put a razor on top of it, and then another kind of guard. So this is actually a 1 guard. You can actually see by the bottom here. So if you keep your beard at a 1, which is I do for actually my mustache, you can actually do that here and just literally just slip it on like so, and then you have access to that, and it's easy to remove as well. Next thing you have access to is a beard guard for number 2. So it's interesting that they put all the small ones into their own little separate pieces, and then that way you can kind of just slip them on and off like so. And this one is the one I use for like under my neck and also for just my underbeard. So yeah, it slips on like the other one. Really easy to pop off and on. You also do get yourself a razor head that goes to that razor that came with it, which is pretty nice that you're actually getting an electric razor and also have that a new razor with it for like $55. That's pretty cool. Another thing that comes with it, of course, is a manual, which we all don't really need to use that unless you really are specific about it. And then it comes with this beard cleaner for the actual electric razor. If you want to actually like clean it on out, you can kind of just like do that as you please, which is pretty neat. The final thing that comes with the razor, of course, is the actual charger in itself, which you'll find in the back space for it. And if you want to really just charge it, literally just take the plug in the bottom of the razor and just slip that in there, and then your razor is now rechargeable. So yeah, that's cool. Now you can take off the head of the razor to get access to different things, and it's really easy to pop off and on. The first thing you get access to is a nose cleaner, so you can use it to clean your nose, and of course you just snap it in. Pretty simple. The other one you got access to is this thing. I'm not entirely sure what this is for. I assume this might be a micro razor, but don't take my word for it. And of course you can just pop it on and off. And finally we have the last one, which is more for just like cleaning your chest off. If you want to clean any chest hair, you can do that with this. So that is everything with the razor. Let's actually go try it out now.
So first thing we're going to do is try out the nose hair trimmer. Okay. Wow, that worked really well, actually. This is my first time using nose hair trimmer, by the way, if you couldn't tell already. I usually just don't have one, so I kind of just like do what I make. But that actually worked really well and didn't even cut myself. And yeah, that was really good. Really good. I don't know why I'm like looking at the camera. Anyways, but let's try now shaving a mustache with it. So what I usually use is a number 2 for my actual guard. So I got the number 2 guard right here, and I'm just gonna literally slip it on to the razor. And then all I have to do now is literally turn the sucker on, and we'll be good to go. So let's see how this works. Well, that actually worked really well. Damn, that actually turned out really good. Oh, so no cuts from that. I thought for a second there, this might be a bit like too close. It might cut the skin, but honestly, it really isn't that bad in all fairness. Like, pretty good in all fairness. And I can literally just do this, like lightly wash it off, put some water, and then I can just dry it right. And then I'm pretty much all good to go the next time if I want to use it. So that's pretty sick.
Well, that of course is everything that comes with this kit. If you guys did find this video interesting or even helpful, then you know what to do. Make sure to smash the like button and get subscribed. I will have a link to this kit down below. If you do use that link, it will support the channel, so very much appreciated. And let me know, do you want to see some more tech videos on some random stuff that might not just be tech, could be like health tech or something like that? Let me know in the comments. I'd be very curious. Until then, I'll see you guys in our tech video. Tech Grant out.